Are you ready to be spoiled? I'm talking about luxury living in Camarillo.
If you've been following our channel, you've seen so many beautiful communities, and today we're going to be highlighting Spanish Hills, which is off the charts. The lower section of Spanish Hills has beautiful newer homes with views of the ocean and the Anacapa Islands. And the hillside that goes up this neighborhood is lush and green. There's just plants everywhere, as well as Highway 101 and the airport. Depending on exactly where you're at, it could get a little bit noisy at times.
We're in one of my favorite sections of Spanish Hills. This area is not gated, but homes actually have their own gate to go up the driveway. These are custom homes built in the 1990s, and they are just amazing inside. You're gonna see custom touches that just make your mouth water. Some of these actually have better views than you might see in Ventura's East Side hillside. And also they have amazing views that could rival the ones you'll see in Camarillo Heights. One of the things that makes this view so amazing is you actually face the Channel Islands. A negative with all of this beauty is that you do hear a lot of helicopter noise. And if you're looking to not have to see your neighbor that much and talk to them or hear their music, these homes are located on at least an acre of land. Not only do you have these amazing views and privacy, but you are so close to old downtown Camarillo and Tiffas, which is one of my favorite gelato places. Homes in this area start in the 2 millions. This would be about the time you would start seeing me geek out inside, because these homes are semi-custom to custom homes. Luxury, just wonderful. And again, on large lots. The nice thing about Spanish Hills is you are looking at a range of homes from 1.3 million all the way up to over $4 million. So whatever you want to spend, you can do it here. Another nice thing about this area is that it is not located in a high fire zone, which means that it is a lot easier to find insurance here and a lot more affordable. So you can spend more on your house.
Springville Dog Park has to be one of the classiest dog parks I have ever seen. 5 acres, you have ocean views, views of the Santa Monica National Mountains, and just a gorgeous large grassy area, and also an adjoining tennis facility and pickleball. So if you live in this area, or really in Camarillo, this is a city park, just a fantastic place to visit. You might have visited Camarillo one time and gone to the outlets, and you would have had no clue that this is only just minutes away from the outlets. This is a whole other world, the Spanish Hills Country Club.
Yeah, the estates, the homes, you just feel like you are away from it all. Spanish Hills Club is turning the country club world on its head and upside down. You get a private modern club experience with not just a championship 18-hole golf course, you also have a championship tennis facility, swimming pool, fitness center, an amazing restaurant to eat at, and these beautiful views of the avocado and citrus farms, as well as the mountains. If you're lucky enough, you can actually buy a home that backs up to this amazing golf course. You don't have to love golf in order to live here, but oh my gosh, you can love the views. The homes that back up to the golf course actually have a lot of trees, so you're not as worried about getting hit by a golf ball.
If Spanish Hills is tickling your fancy, keep in mind there's other communities like this in Ventura County. We'd love to show you around. We are real estate agents. Bart and Keziah, give us a call.